Happy hump day, my friends. We have made it halfway through another week, but welcome back to another work from home job lead. We'll keep this one as short, sweet, and to the point as possible. Just know the links to everything I discuss are in the description box below if you're interested in going and putting that application in. This one is in the healthcare field. The company Carta Healthcare is hiring a clinical data abstractor for their vascular registry. This is remote, 100% work from home, and it is a part-time. So the clinical data abstractor will work to abstract and code information in the prescribed format to satisfy the requirements of the target registry by reviewing patient records and abstracting or taking out data out of those patient records, the key data elements that are needed. So you'll collect data from patient records and enter them into multiple registries for the Carta Healthcare clients. You'll have to collaborate with nurse practitioners, physician assistants, physicians, and other medical professionals to complete patient encounters, especially if the medical records are missing information. You'll communicate with the Carta team and report hospital and streamline data management, and you'll provide data analysis to reporting hospital managers. So this is a non-phone healthcare job. They are not requiring a college degree. They are just requiring any combination of education and experience that would provide you the required knowledge, skills, and ability to do the job. So that's like knowledge of basic medical terminology, proficiency in EMR, which is electronic medical record, exposure to some kind of healthcare environment. You need to have great attention to detail, be very organized, and have great, excellent communication skills. Along with that, you need to be a team player, and you need to have access and the ability to do remote training and onboarding, as this is a completely work from home remote job. Now, unfortunately, this job does not list the pay. That is always dependent on location and experience and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.